Mastering DIY skills, the importance of drilling a pilot hole. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical and useful topic for DIY enthusiasts and anyone interested in home improvement projects. We're going to explore what it means to drill a pilot hole and why this step is crucial in your DIY endeavors. Whether you're assembling furniture, hanging shelves, or undertaking any project involving screws, understanding this concept will elevate your skills and ensure your projects are successful and durable. A pilot hole is a small, preliminary hole drilled into a material before inserting a screw or nail. But why is this extra step so important? Drilling a pilot hole prevents the material, especially wood, from splitting. It also makes it easier to drive in the screw or nail, ensuring it goes in straight and holds securely. This technique is not just about making a hole, it's about precision and care in your work. To drill a pilot hole, you'll need a drill and a drill bit that is slightly smaller than the diameter of the screw you plan to use. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Select the correct drill bit size. Compare the drill bit to your screw, ensuring the bit is slightly smaller in diameter. 2. Mark your drilling spot. Use a pencil or marker to indicate exactly where you want the screw to go. 3. Position your drill. Align the drill bit with your mark, holding the drill perpendicular to the surface. 4. Drill the pilot hole. Apply steady pressure and drill into the material to the appropriate depth for your screw. 5. Drive in the screw. With the pilot hole drilled, you can now easily and securely insert your screw. Remember, the key to a successful pilot hole is precision and using the right tools and techniques. Here are a few additional tips to ensure your pilot holes are perfect every time. Use tape to mark drill bit depth. Wrap a piece of masking tape around your drill bit at the depth you want to drill. This acts as a visual guide to prevent drilling too deep. Choose the right drill bit material. For wood, standard twist bits work well, but for harder materials like metal or masonry, you'll need specialized drill bits. Keep your drill straight. Ensuring your drill is perpendicular to the surface prevents the screw from entering at an angle, which could compromise the hold. Drilling a pilot hole might seem like an extra step, but it's a fundamental technique that enhances the quality and durability of your projects. By following these simple guidelines, you'll ensure your screws are inserted cleanly, hold securely, and don't damage your materials. Happy drilling, and we hope this video helps you in your next DIY project.